Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best electric drill you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best electric drill on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which electric drill are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Black & Decker LD 120V cordless drill. The battery life is great. I've never done anything where I needed to stop halfway through to charge the battery, plus you can get spares. I think another reviewer said it lasted him around 4 hours. The torque is great. I've never had one problem drilling or removing screws. Hard to explain, but I feel as if I have more control over the speed power I'm putting out versus my old DeWalt drill. Relatively lightweight and ergonomically designed. The accessories are decent. The bits seem like cheapish steel to me. This drill is not meant to build a house, but it sure is an excellent tool to have to do jobs around the house. Cordless drill with lithium-ion battery that is always ready and holds a charge up to 18 months. The 24-position clutch of this power drill prevents stripping and overdriving screws by providing extra level of control. The 24-position clutch of this power drill prevents stripping and overdriving screws by providing extra level of control. The Black & Decker LD 120V to 20V Max Lithium drill or driver with 30 accessories come with the Black & Decker 20V Max Lithium-ion battery. These batteries are always ready, holding a charge up to 18 months. This drill provides an extra level of control with a 24-position clutch that helps to prevent stripping and overdriving screws. It has a soft grip handle that provides added comfort during use and a light weight to prevent user fatigue. This drill is ideal for drilling and screw driving through wood, metal, and plastic. For more details, let's watch more. Our second best electric drill is DeWalt DCD771C2 cordless drill. The LED light is super bright for dark workspaces. The 2 batteries last an incredibly long time and charge very quickly. The 20 volts power is more than enough power for the weekend warrior or intermediate craftsman. It's extremely small and lightweight, probably half of the weight I'm used to holding with normal knee-CAD battery drills. The build quality is great. The drill feels solid and strong. DeWalt drill has compact and lightweight design that fits into tight areas. High-performance motor of the power drill delivers 300 unit watts out of power ability, completing a wide range of applications. The DeWalt DCD771C2 20V Max Lithium-ion compact drill driver has a lightweight design with a high-performance motor that delivers 300 unit watts of power. The high-speed transmission delivers 2 speeds 0-450 RPMs and 0-1500 RPMs. The ergonomic handle allows comfort and control. The tools weighs 3.6 pounds and contains 2 20V max compact lithium-ion battery packs, a compact charger and durable contractor bag. For more details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Avid 12 volts cordless drill. Nice, compact cordless drill. 2-speed, multiple torque setting, built-in light and reversible. Comes with a half dozen small drill bits, flex driver, and regular and Phillips screwdriver chucks. It does not have the large battery/counterweight on the bottom, instead it has a more compact battery that fits completely in the handle. It's very compact so that it fits into smaller spaces. I really like the automatic light on the front. The keyless chuck could be better, but works fine for this drill. With premium drill performance, Avid Power cordless drill with superior motor, 15-in-1 torque settings are perfect for drilling into wood, metal, drywall, plastics and all screw driving tasks. Compact and lightweight power drill design make it easy to operate and carry. The cordless drill/driver with battery weighs only 2 pounds and has a non-slip rubber covered handle for being breezily operated in one hand. Exceptional command, comfort, and grip. 3 by 8 inches keyless chuck for quick and easy bit changes. Power drill set with LED light illuminates dark working areas. A flexible shaft could be used in some places where driver bits are hard to reach. For more details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Galax Pro cordless drill. Really powerful and light. Also, it came with just enough drills or bits. It has a light to medium weight. After charging, it has the power of a large drill. I wanted a lightweight drill. And this drill is perfect. I use the drill for crafting. High-speed transmission delivers 2 speeds for a range of fastening and drilling applications. The first gear provides greater torque and control and second gear provides greater speed. Weighs just over 2 pounds with the battery, making it easy for anyone, even for elder, to use for long periods of time. This drill not only a useful tool but also has a cute nice look. The theory of this drill is making the house tool easily to handle and getting rid of solemn appearance to fit itself into a family color. Drill driver kit with LED headlight built to illuminate dark workspace. This handy bright LED work lamp lets you work in any environment. Rotation speed can be switched to 2 stages of fast and slow. It has 2-speed gearbox, that given high-speed transmission delivers 2 speeds, for a range of fastening and drilling applications. The first gear provides greater torque and control and second gear provides greater speed. Lightweight with soft grip handle, weighs just over 2 pounds with the battery, making it easy for anyone to use for long periods of time. The drill is equipped with 3 by 8 inch keyless chuck, which is convenient for quick installation and disassembly of drill bit. For more details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best electric drill list is Avid Power 20 volts cordless drill. This item might be a good choice if you are looking for a drill or a screwdriver for home projects. Actually, I've never really used a drill before. I purchased it because I needed something simple to perform light DIY work in my new house. The forward or reverser switch allows screws driving or unscrewing with convenience. Improved ergonomic design and rubber grip increase comfort and provide maximum control. The cordless drill set includes 10 pieces drill bits, 10 pieces driver bit holder, and an extension bar along with a handy double-end driver bit. Bright LED light for superior visibility when working in dimly lit spaces. Compact and lightweight design with superior motor minimizes fatigue in most daily screwing and drilling tasks. Rubber-covered handle provides a comfortable grip for being breezily operated in one hand. Perfect for tasks around the home, garage, garden and workshop, including drilling holes in wood, plastic, metal and drywall as well as driving in/out screw. The 15-in-1 position clutch provide the performance needed for ultimate drilling and screw driving control. It's a cordless drill/driver, has a compact lightweight design to fit in tight spaces. The forward and reverse switch allows screws driving or unscrewing with convenience. Lets you work through softwoods, hardwoods, plastics, and metals with ease. Bright LED light for superior visibility when working in dimly lit spaces. For more details, let's watch more.